Welcome to the presentation slide of the Smart Copyright Project. Listeners, have you ever encountered issues regarding copyright infringement on various social media platforms? Or have you ever felt worried when intending to edit or adapt copyrighted works into your projects? Do you sometimes feel that once you upload and post that work on social media, you'll have to face the messy copyright rules, be reduced in visibility, or even be banned altogether? I believe there are many content creators who are concerned about these punitive copyright laws. Moreover, in recent years, we may have begun to notice that the platforms we are using are increasingly prone to tightening the rules and penalties regarding copyright infringement each time they update. If so, you're in the right place. And this is an application that will transform your content creation world into an easier one, under the name of the Smart Copyright Project. The plan for the Smart Copyright Project is to create an application, which will act as an intermediary between customers and copyright holders, making it easier for both parties to access the purchase and sale of copyrighted works, whether it's a reasonable price. That provides fair revenue. Even if the price is low, it can attract a massive number of users to purchase. As for the procedures to request permission to use the copyright, whether it's for adaptation, editing, or reproduction on their own works, can be done easily, like buying music from a music streaming app available in the market. Because the app has already prepared the legal agreements, the dissemination will be under the agreements and terms previously established. For example, it can only be published on specific platforms, such as just on YouTube or just on Facebook. Or using it for adaptation that could harm the image of the work or the copyright holder may incur penalties under the law. The application of the Smart Copyright Project will be divided into three main parts. 1. The music application, which serves users in listening to music and watching music videos, similar to any regular music streaming app. 2. The Copyright Store, which will function as a shop where users can select and purchase copyrighted works for their own use. 3. The audio and video editing section, where after purchasing or renting copyrighted works from a copyright store, users will enter the editing tools to create clips. The music application is designed primarily to attract customers to use our services. It will include functions for watching movies, listening to music, listening to podcasts, and watching music videos, similar to general music streaming apps. We will attract new users by offering free music listening and free music video viewing. Then we will start proposing VIP membership offers to eliminate ads, which will encourage users to return for continued use. They will stay informed about new songs, new music videos, and we will guide them to want to explore the Copyright Store more through those new songs and music videos. In the Copyright Store section, we will sell or lease copyrighted works so that users can use copyrighted materials, whether it's music, music videos, or still images, to edit into their own video clips. This allows them to create content to share on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and more. Regarding the pricing methods and additional details on how to verify the copyright correctness when users use the copyrighted works, this will be included in the additional details slide for the Copyright Store. The marketing plan for the Copyright Store will focus on keeping prices low enough that new influencers and content creators who have not yet earned income from content creation can still afford it. We aim to attract customers with discount promotions and free trials in the first month. If the service is good and easy to use, users will spread the word about it just like Canva. The editing feature will be available for content creators to use for free without any charges. This is to draw customers to frequently engage within the app, and if they choose the free option, there will be some minor ads. However, if they purchase a VIP membership from the music application, or if they've previously bought a work from the Copyright Store that month, they will be able to access the premium editing features for free for about 7 days. This will enable them to edit certain portions of songs or music videos for use and create video content immediately within this section. Rough budget regarding the project startup: cost to build the platform, set up a system to support millions of users, requires a budget of several million. Costs for promoting advertisement videos, influencer fees requires a budget of tens of millions. Preliminary pricing strategy: focus on low prices, easy access, offering music, MV, and a variety of record labels to choose from. Create promotions emphasizing trials, test purchases with the sole goal of increasing the number of users as much as possible. And once we have a customer base and dominate the market in licensing, we can gradually focus on recovering costs and profits later. To achieve the desired goals of having a large customer base or user count and dominating the market for purchasing and renting licenses, It must start with focusing on changing consumer behavior first. We will begin by pressuring various platforms to impose strict copyright penalties so that no one dares to create content that infringes on copyrights any longer. We will use the argument that our application can help eliminate issues, including contracts, operations, and the verification of permission requests for modification and adaptation of copyrighted works. If the platforms do not comply, the record labels will take decisive legal action for penalties. And this is a preliminary explanation regarding the Smart Copyright Project. Thank you for listening until the end.